Yep, that's it. Welcome, man. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.7 Hemi. It's a nice one too, guys. Unfortunately, it's in for, ooh, look at these tires. No brakes, guys. I mean, no AC. Yes, guys, we still in the, we're not in the peak summertime, but we're in the part of summer, so it's still fairly hot. In other words, these vehicle owners want the AC to work, and I simply do not blame them. So what my job here is to do is find out why the AC ain't working. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna head in the shop and we're gonna go from there. We're gonna proceed with diagnosing it. I can at least verify if AC on. Remember, guys, max cooling. Please turn the recirc on. I got temp all the way to low, and ladies and gentlemen, absolutely no cold AC. Yes, I can verify, duplicate it. All right, that's called duplicating the complaint. So like I say, let's do this. Head to a spot where we can proceed with diagnostic. Y'all know AC is on the it's part of the electrical system, and there's a module for AC. In fact, this is a HVAC module. Okay, so this module is on the bus. Okay, but so there's different procedures you can start with. Okay, you got to have a starting point. You can start anywhere you choose. Okay, there's a plumbing side of the AC system, a distribution side, the electrical side, meaning this module and everything. So you can scan for codes, see if anything will lead you in the right direction there. But I'll figure it out now that I'm in here on the direction I go, guys. All right, so hold tight, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I'm in the shop. I hope I'm up far enough. This is a big 1500. So here's the plan, guys. No AC. Even on, I want to say the compressor's not even coming on, guys. All right, now 62,000 miles. What could stop a compressor from coming on? Low on Freon? Yes. And with this being a 16 model, oh my goodness, it's likely R1234YF. Oh my goodness, I had to drag that big old machine out here because nobody have gauges. Nobody have the gauges are gauges. Gauges are designed to measure pressure. Okay, it's all about the fittings, I guess. So nobody have gauges set up to pressure test, pressure check the new AC system. All right, so I don't want to spend a lot of time, guys. Let's get this car, before I go drag this machine out, let's look around visual, see if we can if I can see oil on the condenser. I'm pretty much going to be assured that it's just low on Freon is leaking from the condenser, right? You see oil all over, it's likely leaking. But in sense talking about it, let's get this thing up in the air and go from there, guys. Stay tuned. Alrighty, guys, here we are, the big 1500 Hemi. All right, no AC, like I say. Well, I'll have to have it running to see if the clutch kicking in. But for the most part, I want to look around. Where's my condenser? Underneath all this stuff. If I can see oily substance all over the condenser, I can't see through there. If I can see oily substance all through the condenser, come on, man, don't make me go get a two. Yeah, it's just panel right there. Do y'all see any kind of, that's the condenser, the black radiator looking thing. And ladies and gentlemen, I do not see oily substance everywhere. So let's look at the actual AC plumbing components, meaning the compressor. There's a compressor. I don't see oil around the lines. Let's go down here. Here go to, I'm looking for any potential. Remember, guys, R12 right here, R1234YF. From what I heard, hearing, it has dye already built in it, so there's no need to add dye. Now remember, guys, also, if you low on Freon, you have dye in the system and you can't physically see leaks on the outside, there's another piece of AC equipment inside the passenger compartment. That is the evaporator. So if you low and there's no leak out here, you have to check the evaporator. All right. Okay. So I don't know, guys. Will a computer pick something up like that? I don't know. I need to scan this thing. I need to do everything I need to do. But let me turn the car on, see if the compressor is even running, guys. All right, hold tight. Alrighty, guys, I got the car on. Let's see. Ladies and gentlemen, I can see. I don't know if y'all can see. I zoomed down. That compressor is not on, guys. Oh my goodness, this thing may be low on freaking Freon. That's one of the things that will stop the compressor from coming on. Okay. It's low on Freon. What else will stop the compressor? High pressure. Well, you're not getting high pressure because you're not getting no pressure. Low pressure is one thing that stop the. Oh no. Let me see something. I gotta climb up here, man. This thing is huge. All right. So I'm seeing two connectors down here. This thing likely grounds right here. Whoa. Uh-oh. My compressor on? Yes. Guys, my compressor's on. What did I do? Uh-oh. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? If I hold this up, wait. Y'all saw that? Okay, guys. Yes. Right there. Look. I'm just holding it up. Y'all see where my finger at? Now watch me let it go. And this connector is all the way in. We gotta look. Yes. Okay, guys, we got a wiring problem. Yes. It's not a plumbing issue. Whew. That is so much better than it being a plumbing issue. Okay, I can't continue to break my back like this. Looks like I can get to that connector better from the bottom, guys. Let me get this truck in the air, guys. Hold tight. All right, look at this big old truck. I had to get on the truck rack. Okay, I got it up. Let's see. Yes, I get a better shot from here, guys. All right, see, I gotta. This I take it. This is a high pressure cutoff switch, but what I was moving was up here, guys. Let's get this unplugged. Yeah, it's all the way on. There is a loose connection. Let me get it unplugged. All right, is this one piece? There's one. Let me take them both off. Oh, come on, man. There we go. Come around to Popper. All right, this gray one is what we was dealing with.